What is going on, guys? Welcome. If you're new to the channel, my name is Gus Noah. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to export high quality videos for Instagram and Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you in any kind of way, please subscribe and like for more upcoming videos and tutorials. Now let's get into Premiere Pro. Okay, so now that we're in Premiere Pro, let's import some footage. Press Command I. Okay, let's use this shot. Press import. Now that it's in Premiere, okay, let's grab it and drag it onto the timeline. So I shot this shot at 1920 by 1080, and now we're going to change it for Instagram. So go up to sequence settings, and this window is going to pop up. So first step, let's change the time base to 23.976 frames per second. And now let's go down to the video section right here, and you're going to see frame size 1920, horizontal 1080. We're going to change the frame size to 1080 and the horizontal to 1350. Perfect. Now let's go down to video previews and check off maximum bit depth. Press OK, and then check off maximum render quality. OK again. Now these are the settings you need for Instagram. So now let's press OK and OK again. You're gonna see that it changed to like a vertical rectangular format, and you're also gonna see that the shot isn't completely filling it in. So let's select the footage, go to scale, change it from 100 to 125. Now it's completely filled in, but also it's scaled in. So if you want to move the shot around, you can go to position, move it up, left, right, and position it however you want. Just make sure your scale is at 125 for it to completely fill in. I'm not going to do a complete edit. I'm going to just use this one shot as an example. So the next step is to export it. So make sure the shot is selected, press X so it's selected. Now let's go up to File, Export, Media, and now this is going to pop up. Make sure format is at H.264. Make sure, check the summary, make sure it's at 1080 by 1350, which it is, perfect. And now let's go down to this section right here, basic video settings. Let's scroll down to where you see render at maximum depth. Now press that to check it off and scroll down a little more to bitrate settings. Let's change it from VBR1 pass to VBR2 pass and change the target bitrate to 30, to around 30. Perfect. And now let's make sure that use maximum render quality is checked off. Next step is to export it. So when it's done exporting, it should look like this. This is a video that I worked on with one of my friends, and it should come out looking like this. So if this tutorial helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be trying to do a tutorial a week, and thank you for watching.